If you see this bird screaming for help, don't help her, because she's tricking you on purpose. Most people might fall for this trick, because as you keep following her, she starts walking from you. But if you're still following her, she suddenly flies up like nothing happened. It's called killdeer, and it got the nickname of a genius parent to save their kids without using energy. They're not acting like this to prank you randomly, but they do this for an expected reason. Since God set it to build nests on the ground, so the parents need to act like this to get attention from predators that want to destroy their nest. That means they're protecting their kids with tricks, not strength. If you don't know this, hit like and subscribe.